In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit Shopify footer. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. On the left-hand menu, go to Online Store, then choose Themes. This page shows the theme that is currently live on your storefront, along with any other themes you may have in your library. Next to your active theme, click Customize. This opens the theme editor, where you can make visual changes and instantly preview how they will look. Take a moment to notice that the editor has two main areas, the preview on the right and a sidebar on the left that controls your sections and settings. Now scroll down in the preview until you reach the bottom of the page. In the sidebar, click the footer section. Once you select it, you will see the settings and blocks that make up your footer layout. To add new content to the footer, click Add Block. From here, you can insert a menu, text, or images block, depending on what you want to show. Menus are useful for links like customer service, policies, or quick navigation. Text blocks work well for short messages, store details, or a brief description. Image blocks are commonly used for logos, badges, or small graphics, as long as they match your brand style. After adding a block, click directly on that block to edit it. For text, you can rewrite the content to match your store. For menu blocks, you can select a different navigation menu, so the footer links point to the exact pages you want. Make sure your menu is organized and easy to scan, since the footer is often where customers look for important information. Back in the footer settings, look for the option called Show Payment Icons. Turn this on if you want to display payment method logos, which can help build trust at checkout. To add social links, click the gear icon for theme settings, then open social media. Enter your social account links there, and the footer will display them if your theme supports it. Finally, use the padding and margin sliders to adjust spacing and footer height until it looks clean and balanced. When everything looks right, click Save. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.